So on today's video here, I will be reviewing Runway ML. So Runway basically it's an AI website where you can turn your prompt to image, your prompt to video. Yeah, I'm going to be reviewing the website, doing some certain things on the website to see what you can do and what you cannot do on it, and how far you can go without paying for anything. So yeah, I'm going to be reviewing everything. So if you like content like this, my name is King UC and I review website and show you website that will or website that are helpful to you. So do well to subscribe, to like, comment, to give me more motivations to like create videos like so. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. So when you visit Runway, this is the whole interface. When you visit app.runwayml.com, so this is how the interface look like. So I'm going to log in with Google because I already have an account with them. So I'm just going to log in with Google to like just make the whole process fast. So I'm logged in now, and this is the interface. So when you get to the website, this is where you're going to see more like an introduction of what the entire website is about, what you can do with the website basically. So there are a lot of things you can do here. So at first they give you 125 credits for it to like use for free. Then if you like the website, you probably want to upgrade or yeah, or you just leave the website. Yeah. So let's just explore the website. Let me check a few things around, see how it's built. So basically we have the sidebar. So the sidebar we have the chat, the tools, the app, workflow, app asset, and learn. Then workspace untitled section. So I'm just going to check the tools. So for the tools we have the video generative AI. So drop an image to animate. So if you want to animate video your image, so you can just drop it here. Then the image also, so you can put an image here to give you more reference image. Probably, let's say you're making an AI, you're making a movie with AI, so probably you want to like use a particular character. Then you can just put the character image here, then make the character to do different things to get. Probably you want the character to be sitting down, to be standing, so yeah, you can do that also. Then we have app. So here basically contains everything you can do on this runway. So you can generate mockup image, vary art image, generate art image, create art, expand your image. Then for videos you can edit weather yet get you can put a particular character on a sunny weather, raining weather, anyone you want. Time of the day, lighting of the video, backdrop, and all those things. Then for pictures or images, finishing touches, you want to retouch your image, you want to retouch your video, or color grade your video or scale any of them. Then models, we have yeah, more like the let's say basic. I don't know. So video for video we have the VO 3.1 video plus audio. So it gives you video plus audio. So ideally if you want to create video plus audio costs around 200 and something credits. So for the free version you cannot create videos with audio, so yeah, you have to like pay for it. Then the Gen 4, which is just for video, V View 3 for video and audio 2, then Gen 4 Turbo for image generation. So for image 2 we have Flash, Nano Banana. We have Nano Banana, that's cool. So that's Flash 2.5, then Gen 4. So Nano Banana here is free. Then all the app together, this is what we have. So all the app we have for images, then you can share full for images, you can serialize, put out shots, mock up, very hard, expand and all. I'll be testing some of this to see how it works and if it's giving what I want. So yeah. Then video, or you have to like upgrade to use most of the features here. So platform videos, you cannot do backdrop, remove video reference, so you have to like upgrade. So the only thing you can just do here is to perform video. Perform video. Okay. Then for workflow is just build the workflow that works for you. So this is just workflow, that's all. Then open asset. So I feel this I have a lot of tab open here. So let me just close all this thing. So for so this where all your assets will be. So this is where all your assets will be. Probably if you're uploading any image, if you're uploading anything, any picture. So all your assets is going to be on this particular environment. So yeah. Then you want to see private shared. You can actually share with Steam. Start a section, generate video, generate blah blah blah. So this is your workspace entirely. So you have reached the end of your asset library. I don't really have anything here, so I can create a new folder or upload. I'm not uploading anything. No, let me just try to drag something here. Let me just try to drag something from my other screen. Pick it's just old. Check download. So let me see if I can just drag something and dump here. Yes, I can. So starting to upload. So it's giving Google Drive vibes. So yeah. So you can actually upload your file, just drag and drop. So this is my image which I created with Gemini. So I will be testing out some things like the video, image to video, then prompt to video. So let's just test that out to see how best it works. Yeah. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to app. I think this is the player I'm to go to. Just go to app, or should I? Let me just start with the mockup generation, or create ads image, or create very image. What should I start with? Go to tools. So I want to create an image. I'll go to tools, go to image. So now I want to just create a simple image, but I want to have like a reference image that I can use to just make the whole process smooth. Because probably I've created an image somewhere, or I saw a particular image that I want to use for my videos. So I don't have to like prompt AI to give me that exact thing. I just have to like upload it. So let me just upload one, or I can pick from. Can I? I think I can pick from my asset folder. So I've uploaded one already. So let me just use this. So this is my reference image. I think this is my reference image. Hope I'm doing the right thing. But yeah. So this is my reference image. I want you to make the woman to be sitting without respect seat on a chair. So I'll just generate. So when I'm generating this, what I'm generating, so it uses two credits to generate images. So if you are generating an image, use like two. So in total, you can use, let's say, 125 divided by two. Probably you can create around um 60 something videos, probably like 60, 60, 62 or so. So yeah, this is the Oma City, and it does it perfectly fine, like smoothly. I think this is really nice, if I'm being honest. So from here I can download it, I can use as reference, import for video. So this is my image. I can also just, I wanted to make the woman to be sitting down. I'm going to download this image, probably click on vary to see what it does. Okay, so let's just see what it, so it's the same thing. So I want the use as reference vary. So let me use you as reference again. I want the woman to be walking on a tiled road. I want her to be walking on the highway. So let's see why still reading a book. For each image I generate, they take 2 credits. So yeah, credit has been reduced. So let's just see what it's going to give me. So as you can see, I'm using just one particular image to generate multiple images. This is not bad. This is not bad actually. I think it still maintains a face and everything. No other changes. She's putting on a ring. Okay, let me see if she's putting. So this is the original. No, this is not the original image. Not sure. Yeah, this is the original image. See, even me, I'm confused. So this is the original image, and it does. This is the original image. Did not really change anything. So yeah, everything works fine. So I'm just going to take one of this image and see how well we can use it to like generate video. So yeah, I'm just going to import for video and describe your shot. So I want the woman to drop this particular book and pick another book from the table. So I want this woman to drop the book on her hand and pick another one on the table. So let's just see how well it does this. So to generate in video, you can change aspect ratio if you want. So I'll just be using this one that I normally use. Oh, trim. We've not started generating. Like just cancel this. So I want this woman to drop the book on her hand and pick another one on the table. So I'm just going to generate it now. So that's all my Google credit gone. Probably took like 94 minus I think around 25 or so. So it takes 25 Google credit to create a video. Try using camera angle in your program like full shot or close up. So it gives me tips on how best to like achieve this. So let's see. Let me just wait for it to finish. It's taking time. So let's just hold. So not just that it gives you the mode that is using to like generate this video. So generating credits mode. So yeah, let's just wait. And over here you can see all the assets that I've created so far. Yeah. You can use two acts wherever. I think you have to upgrade for it to use this feature. And you can also change the AI you're using. So the free one here is still this one, image to video. So that's cool. So let me just play the video and see what it does. Please do not fall my hand. So I have access to like just create like 5 seconds video. 5 seconds video since we are on the free. I can create 10, yeah, but using creating 10 will like finish my credit. So let me just play the video. So this is what it created. Drop one, pick another one, drop one, pick another one. I did not really do well, if I'm being honest. So it did not really do well. There's this breakage here. So it's not really giving me what I want. How can I fix this? Mm, which die? What other option is here? Expand, retime, edit video with. No, use a change voice, retime video, expand video, lip sync. Okay, so this is what it's giving me. It's not really giving me what I want. So for the image to video, this didn't actually give me what I wanted. Um, so I think, what can we do to fix this? Can we actually fix it? I don't want to waste all my credit on this thing. So let me just see other things that I can do here. So this is the video aspect. We've generated image using image reference. So for this particular one, I gave you a reference, but you might choose not to like just give a reference. So you can just delete this then create directly, no reference image. So yeah, so this for image and this for video. So you can switch. So on that two, we have video, we have image. So you can just change from here. Then under the image, you can pick which one you want to generate your image. You can just pick nano banana here. So which is still free. Thank God, it's free. We have three reference, optional, optional, optional. Then for your video, you have V3.1, V3, Gen 4. But they are paid for. The only free one is this one. So I feel that's why it's not giving us what we want, but it is well. Then you can check the apps. So under apps, you have a lot of things that you can still do on this website. So it's not just to create image or image to video. So you can still do other things like picture, like image mockup. So I'm just going to try their mockup, expand image. So all these are the free things that you can do. Create ads image. So let's just test this mockup and see how it works. So for the mockup, they have preset already. They have preset and which is cool. So I'm just going to look for a particular image that I have here. More like a package. So yeah, I'm just going to drag and drop here. So this is a packaging design. So I'm just going to pick a reference. No, 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 no. I think I'm making a mistake. I'm going to delete this. So I'm going to delete this and just try and look for probably static. Let's see this. Let's say I want to put this particular logo on Subway. So this particular logo on Subway might not really get what I want, but let's just check it out. So let's see generate. So more quiz Subway. So let's just hold and see how it does it. It's taking time. But let's just give it the time in it. Okay, okay. This is a little bit impressive. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is impressive. I'm not going to lie. I'm a graphic designer, so this mockup makes a lot of sense. A lot of sense. Like, see how clean it is with the cutout too. Wow, mad, man. This is super clean. If I'm being honest, yeah, this clean. Not just this one. Then this one also. This is clean. Then this one also. Then this one. Yeah, this is clean. This is really clean. I'm going to download all this. Probably might use it for a brand guide. I'm just going to download you. I cannot just let this thing go. I'm going to download you. I'm going to download all of them because I wasted credit on it. There's like 74 credits remaining. So let's see which other mockup again. Sweatshirts. So let me just prompt. So let me use prompt to see if prompt might do it. So I want you to create a mockup of stationaries with this logo so let's see give what it's going to give to me. So it takes, wow, takes a lot of credit to actually do create logo or create mockup rather. So let's just see. mm, yep, I'm impressed. I think this is fine. I'm going to download you. But if I'm going to download you too. I already have some, so no need. So that's all for mockups. I think the next thing we can do here is product photography, image, create ad, very image ads. Can we do product photography? Choose. app. I think that's all. Sterilize image, mockup image, product shot. Yeah, product shot. So this is kind of game changing. Yeah, this game changing honestly. So let me just do product shots with this particular product. I think after this one our credit will finish, but regardless, we're just testing it out. So I'm going to drag in what I want to use. Jeez. So this is what I want to use for. So yeah, this is the product here. I might choose a reference picture. So let's see this one. I'm just going to select this one, three stacks, then it's generating. Scroll down, product shot, three stack. So let's see what it gives to me. Do not for my hand, please. I have high expectations for you. Yes, this is not bad. This is not bad. This is impressive a little bit, but I was expecting more. But this is impressive. This is not bad actually. So that's for the reference. So let me just prompt to say, I want you to create. I want you to put this on a product display state. I want you to put this product on a supermarket display. I want you to put this product on a supermarket with someone trying to pick it. Hope I'm not doing too much. With an African man trying to pick it on the shelf. Hope I know how to spell. I know I'm doing too much, so this is actually too much. This is too much compared to like the whole concept of having a production. So let me still just push my limits. I don't know. Okay, this is not bad. This is not bad. Not what I was expecting though, but regardless, the consistency is cool. The image, the man, and everything is okay. So let me see the fingernails. Fingernails is fine. The man shirt is fine. The man is not really looking like an AI person, but it's cool. So yeah, can I import for video? Do I have enough credit? So let me just try and do. I think this is the whole thing you can do from this website. Like, you can do a lot. You can try a lot of things to like some other stuff, but let me just try and make this video. So I want this man to drop. So let me just turn this to video. I want this man to pick the product and put in 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 a basket. Let's see. And there goes my good credit. Did I just say good credit? My credit 2019 for upgrade ball. So let's wait and see. So if you have stayed to this moment, please do not forget to like the video, comment your video, just comment something or the next website you probably want me to review. Just comment it below, then subscribe. Do it subscribe to like give me more motivations to create videos like this. Explore your website that will be helpful to you. So yeah, not just that. So let me just play the video that this AI has generated for me. So let's see. Nah, it's not giving me what I want. So it's because I'm using this. I think the image generation model that I'm using, it's not really giving me what I want. So yeah, probably if you upgrade or if you use other models, yeah. So that's just it. So that's all for the website basically. There's nothing else here. Gives you storage space. Then in terms of pricing, let me just view all plan. So in terms of pricing, these are the plan that you have. You have the free, standard, the pro, the unlimited, and the enterprise plan. Yep. So you have $912 a year. Mm. Include 2,250 credits monthly, custom credit allowance 2,000 a year. So that's all for you. So thank you for staying till this moment. So if you like this website, you can actually check it out to see if it can do what you want to do, or probably video you want to create here. See you guys on the next one. Bye.